Right lads, welcome back. So here ourselves a customer here who decided to shove a bunch of food and vegetables and ramen and all this shit inside our toilet. So they gave us a call to come and clear it. So I'll use the standard rigid snake and we're going to use the plunger. Sit back and enjoy. Let's see if we can get them up and running. I have a feeling I'll be able to just get it with the arm. Back in the bag. Alright. Okay. Let's see if we can replicate that. We always want to do is replicate a flush. I'll put the toilet paper in. Not too much, but this is probably a bit much. Yeah, that's a bit much. Try one more time. Maybe I won't put in as much toilet paper as this time. Silly me. Too much toilet paper in. Look at that. Already. Flush. Should you test your work? soak up. Might want to refresh this. It is letting water in. Yeah, it's letting water in. What about the baby flush? Okay, I'm satisfied with that. I'm not satisfied with the flush. Or not, sorry, not the flush. I'm not satisfied with that dripping. So, looks like we need to rebuild this power flush. That's how you do it. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.